As the sun rises, a new journey begins. Today, we're heading to visit the goats. The air is cool, the scent of wild herbs fills the breeze, and the ground beneath us tells stories of those who've walked this path before. This place is special, quiet, and simple. Here, time seems to slow down, and life moves at its own pace. It's a journey to reconnect with nature and friends. Welcome to a morning with the goats. Let's head into the farm now and discover the goats up close. There's so much to see and explore.
This is our dairy machine. It's a 4-point machine. As you can see, this is a point. Of course, everything in the goats is smaller than the cows, of course. And to get the machine ready, it's just that, and put this here, and just close, and she's ready to work. When all the goats is ready, we open that two gates and they go to the different part that we have. It's the same one, but it's separated. The two. After the two pots are full, we put in our cooler tank because we have to cool down the temperature of the milk. Why we do that? Because we work with raw milk, and the bacteria that we needed to produce the cheeses, we needed to put them a kind of a sleeping mode. So when they arrive to the factory, they are in the best conditions to be produced and to be active to start to produce the cheese. So the right temperature is, in this moment, is 3.6. The temperature is between 3 to 4 degrees. And that way the quality of the milk is always the best. Now it's the moment for you can create your beautiful blue sugars. If you need some help, I can help you because we're going to enter in the part with the goats. In a good size, and everything is better because the mother increase the body condition, the weight. She gets a little bit more fat, and the other also rests 2 months because I think it's fair enough after 10 months of producing, or for them 2 months of vacation. So it's fair enough. We don't see our animals as machines. Our animals are pets. So the other farms put the same goat pregnant twice in the year. We don't do that. Only one time in the year. It's enough for us. It's enough for them. In that way, they have a longer life. I'm sorry. Yes, it's the coat of Jeffrey.
Meron siyang aling polo.
And in that way they live longer. So for example, I can say to you, you have here a goat with 10 years. It's the grandmother of the place.
Ba't kinukuskus ako?
She's healthy and she's a nice one. Love to be the sheep.
Oh, is she?
The average is around 10 to 12 years with good treatment.
Let's all feed these goats.
Not pure. He is pure. As you can see, the ears are different, are bigger, and the color is different. Don't put the belly up because
Like that?
Yeah, just like that I'm doing.
Like this?
Yes, I'm gonna explain to you why.
Yes.
Because the stomach can turn over and they can die.
Oh.
Okay, but if you do that, it's okay.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to hold him. Yes, he screams a lot. It's very spoiled, I think. So this moment are the two babies that we have here. Of course, we are expecting more in any second because we are just
let's ask the owner some questions about the farm.
Official tax. We are an official farm, and we are controlled by the authorities and in the health. In the
So you need to
sanitary
report all of the.
I want to report. I don't wait that they're gonna ask to me. I'm always the first one to give, because in each 6 months, I ask them to come here to take blood samples of everyone to control the diseases here on the farm because of the quality of the milk. So in each 6 months, we do this control of the blood, and because the blood can tell us how they are. We are very tight with the sanitary condition, because it's the fastest way to get the high quality of the milk.
And what does the numbers mean? Is it?
Oh yes, I'm sorry. This is the official tax. All the animals are registered in the official authorities in the central service in the country. So, for example, if that goat is stolen, by the number of the tag, they know that she's mine. It's an example.
Okay.
So all of them are registered in that system. So we are obligated to do that.
It's like a barcode. You can identify. It's like in the supermarket. There's a barcode for each.
More or less,
Okay.
yes. The idea is it's a kind of city card of them, citizen card.
Okay.
Now, enjoy a quick tour with the goats. Now, the owner will explain to us how to milk the goat.
This is slashed, and this is almond. We're gonna work with nuts here. She's not seeing me, but she's know it's me here because of my touch. My touch is different from Philippe. My touch is different from Beatrice. This is my touch. And they know who are here on the backside. So as I touch her, as you can see, she have already more milk when she's alive, because this reaction makes that they can release more milk, you know. So the first thing is to take off the jets of milk. So, you know, the skin of the goats are very, very sensitive, and they react very to the disinfectant. We have to select very well the disinfectant to work with them. So in this moment we don't get yet another one, so we work only with water. So the first thing is to clean. What you are seeing to getting off, it's the second disinfectant that I'm going to explain to you to get off. It's not very fast. So this one, it's cleaned with only this tissue. We never use the same tissue in another goat because imagine that this goat has some other infection. If I want to do it with the other one, this one can get the infection of the other one. So we don't want that. After that, she's ready to be married, but not for me. Well, building the goat is very, very easy. It's easier than ride the bicycle. So you have to put the nipple just here, this part of your hand, with these two fingers to tight hide the nipple in the top. And when you are doing that, with the other one, you squeeze it. Okay. It's easy. I'm gonna show you. See, you have to close the lid because you have to make this pressure of the milk, and after that, oh my god, squeeze it. It's easy because if you don't close the teeth on the top, when you're gonna squeeze it, the milk goes up, and no, you don't have milk. So you have to keep the milk here, closing the teeth, and after that, squeezing. Who's gonna be the first breaker?
You can buy him a goat.
Yeah.
He's able to raise one. Oh, very easy. You're gonna miss that? Like a balloon. Almost feels like a balloon.
So here with this hand, and you can do this. Because you have more milk, you tie, yes, you tie high.
See it?
Yeah.
What an amazing journey so far. But this is just the beginning. After enjoying the beauty of these incredible goats, our adventure continues. In the next video, we'll be diving into a delicious breakfast you won't want to miss. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2. See you there.